If you're looking for a premium desk fan, the Dyson Cool CF1 is definitely worth considering. It features Dyson's signature bladeless design, making it safer, easier to clean, and capable of delivering smooth, consistent airflow using air multiplier technology. It also includes multiple fan speeds, adjustable oscillation, and a quiet sleep mode that's great for nighttime use. What stands out most is how quiet and refined it feels. The airflow is strong without the choppy breeze you get from many traditional fans, and it uses just 30 watts at maximum speed, making it energy efficient as well. The biggest downside is the price. It's significantly more expensive than a standard desk fan, and it doesn't include features like air purification. But if you value premium design, quiet operation, and excellent cooling performance, the Dyson Cool CF1 is a high quality investment that's built to deliver a comfortable experience.